Hi guys, this is Chef Al of Hunger Dragon Chef. Andito tayo ngayon sa Edmonton, capital city of Alberta. At dito natin matatagpuan ang Legislator Building, isa sa mga historical building na itinayo noong 1913. Ito ang meeting place of Legislative Assembly, Executive Council of Alberta, in short for LEG. At dito matatagpuan ang University of Alberta na in-establish noong 1908. Ito ang top 4 Canadian university at isa sa top 100 university in the world. Dito sana ako mag-aaral pero hinarang ako. Joke lang. At syempre, dahil gutom na ako, di ko palalampasin bisitahin isa sa mga Japanese restaurant dito sa Edmonton. Ito yung Tokyo Noodle Shop. Tara, eats! Yeah, I'm going to order for us is spicy seafood ramen.
Spicy seafood ramen.
Yeah, tonkatsu ramen, the one.
Tonkotsu ramen.
The one, yeah.
The one.
Yeah, prawn tempura.
Prawn tempura. How many pieces would you like?
Uh,
Like 4 or 8 pieces.
4 pieces is $9. Can you make it like, yeah, should be fine, 4 pieces. Takoyaki, okonomiyaki, and also fried rice. Like, it's a big bowl. What's good for three person, 2 person, something like that, or what?
You mean the fried rice?
Yeah.
Right?
Is-
Since you have ordered like other food as well, so it used for 2 people.
2 people is good.
2
Okay,
people you can share.
sure.
So which type
Pork,
of the pork?
yeah, and also can I get summer mango roll?
Salmon mango roll. And would you like to be with the eel or tempura shrimp?
Yeah.
This one. Shrimp or eel?
Shrimp.
Shrimp, sure.
Yeah. And I think that's everything for us. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, ito nga pala yung in-order namin. This is a mango roll with prawn. I have takoyaki. And also I have like a prawn tempura. This one is pork tonkatsu ramen. This one is spicy seafood ramen. I have also okonomiyaki and also a chahan fried rice. I'm gonna try this one first. Ito yung seafood ramen. Lagyan ko lang ng chili kasi I'm gonna try pork tonkatsu. Good. Then this one. Try ko rin tong seafood ramen. I'm going to try this mango roll. Sarap. Takoyaki. Half them. Ngayon try natin tong chahan fried rice. Sarap. Itong okonomiyaki. Sarap. Sarap ng pagkain dito. Yung seafood ramen. Napakaraming seafood niya. Merong shrimp, merong squid, merong maliliit na scallops. Alam mo yun? Tapos meron ding Naruto. Ito yung tinatawag na fish cakes. Meron din palang mussels. Dito yung mussels na kasing laki ng mussels ko. Joke. Ano lang to, yung mussel na maliit. Oh, sarap. Natin tong hipon kung gaano ka-fresh siya. Sarap. Try ko rin yung tempura nila. Ang lutong. Purong-purong hipon talaga kita niya. Konti lang yung pinaka-breading niya. More on meat talaga yung loob. Kaya, sulit na sulit. Mahilig ako sa spicy kaya dito ko siya ididip. Sarap. Try natin yung noodles. Sarap. Sarap ng noodle. Ayaw ang sariwa. Tapos may mga vegetable pa. May bok choy. Actually, marami na ako nasubukan na iba-ibang Japanese restaurant. Masasabi nating masarap yung food nila dito. Yung stock nila, pag tinikman mo, talagang malalasahan mo yung seafood broth na ginamit nila sa ramen. Tsaka kita mo yung sandok niya. Ito yung ginagamit ko nung nasa probinsya pa ako eh. Pag nagluluto kami ng suman. Ito yun oh. Kaso malaki nga lang. Gawa sa bao. Pero kita mo naman. Eleganteng elegante. Sarap. Pero sa dami na in-order ko, hindi ko alam kung mauubos ko to eh. Pero sirain nyo ako guys ha. Or pababalot ko na lang to and then sisend ko sa inyo. No, just kidding. Joke lang. Paano ko naman to may papadala sa inyo? Pagdating nito, palis na, di ba? Kaya, tingnan niyo lang muna ako. Habang kumakain ako. Pero, please guys, don't forget to subscribe, Hunger Dragon Chef. That is my official vlog. You can follow me Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. Please, subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much.